Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Saturday. It is day 68 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I.
That's us. Thanks for being here today, guys. If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners. This is our daily video log of us doing things around our garden while we're quarantined. And hopefully you can get some ideas, maybe a little inspiration about what you could do around your garden too.
And if you're already following along with our daily journey, thank you so much. If you're not following yet, we would love for you to subscribe by clicking that button down below. And see that bell right next to it? Click that bell and you'll get notified as soon as our next videos come out. And today is Saturday, so that means we're doing a seed update or some type of greenhouse update, anything to do with our seedlings.
So today our seedlings are ready to be planted in the ground. So we're gonna plant them today and you get to see us plant them. So guys, here's our seedlings. We're gonna plant all these today. Got some borage here. We've got some cucumbers that we're gonna plant today out here. And don't mind these are alyssum. Those are gonna go back into the greenhouse.
We also are going to find a home for our peppers. I don't know how many of these are gonna make it into this yard. We might be giving some of these away because they all germinated pretty much. So let's see, what else do we have, honey? We have some loofah.
Oh yeah, loofahs.
We need to get these in the ground.
Yep, we'll get them set up.
We've got a bunch of pole beans, at least 4 or 5 plants to get in the ground, so we're super excited about that.
Yeah, we love pole beans.
And I think the rest are tomatoes.
Yep, lots of tomatoes, everybody, and it's a mix of them. They got kind of mixed up when we moved them out here. So we've got some Hampson tomatoes, and then we've got some Roma tomatoes. So they're all mixed up. We'll see what they are when they actually start producing their tomatoes. So kind of a surprise, that's fun. So let's get to it.
Okay, we're gonna take you on a really quick tour of what we just accomplished. Here is what we're calling Tomato Alley. And yeah, you might be saying they're kind of close together. These will get really big, but we are very space deprived because we are growing a lot this year, so.
And this is the most full sun area of our whole yard at our house. So we're gonna maximize our space, overplant a little bit maybe, but we want to take advantage of this space.
Exactly. Behind, and we have, this is some empty space we'll fill in with maybe a couple tomatillos or maybe one, we don't know. But we have loofah, which will get a lot of heat back here. We need to build a little trellis or some kind of climbing system for these because they will climb. So that's why we group those a little tight.
We've got our pole beans. We got these guys in here. We placed them behind. They just kind of find their way up. Now we've kind of pre-woven a couple you see on the end there, and then these other 2 guys right here. We've already got them up on the trellis started, and they'll just take off. And we can't wait to see what they do. They usually just take over and they just cover this whole thing. We've got our pepper island here.
We're trying something new. This used to be a fun feature. In the past, we've done a 3 sisters kind of planting where we had corn and zucchini and beans. But we're not growing corn this year. So.
Nope. Yep, we've changed it up. It used to be mounded, and now we've made it more of a small basin with mini basins for each plant with those berms around them. And each time we plant, you might have noticed that in all the other plants. Every time we water these plants, we'll be able to collect water right around those roots where we planted them to get them really started and collect that water and keep those roots moist. So it's just a little hack there. If you ever want to do that, it'll really help you out. Now behind these guys, up here, we've got a plant called borage. And this is our first year of growing these. We've got 3 of them. Again, you see those basins. And then there was a random mustard plant that got that germinated with some of these other plants. So we just planted it there. We'll see how that does in this space. And then we've got some other tomato plants that we just wanted to put in this space to try out. We're gonna see how they do. And the last plant we have here is cucumber. We're gonna see how it does in the shadier area. It'll reach out to grow towards the sun as it tracks back this way. And you can see the sun starting to peek through over there. And so we're excited to see how this cucumber does over here.
So that's a wrap for day 68. That's our seed update for today. We finally got some of them in the ground, so we're really excited to watch those grow and produce food for us. We grew so many peppers this year that we actually have a whole bunch of pepper plants to give away. And that was fun for us. Yesterday we gave away about 10 tomato plants to our neighborhood and they all got taken. So probably tomorrow we'll give, or maybe today, I don't know, we'll give away some pepper plants.
So guys, that's it for today. Stay safe. We're in this together. Hopefully you got some ideas for your garden and things to do out in your yard today. So guys, leave any comments or questions down below for us. We'll get right back to you. Give us that thumbs up. Let us know if we're doing a good job. And hit that subscribe button so you can get updates on our newest videos when they come out.
And we'll be back tomorrow on day 69 with our next project. So until then, have a great day ahead and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.